Good morning, student. Today I am also just showing you another two theorem on the property of the chord of a circle. Now here this theorem is telling that is equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. That is A, B and CD are two chords. It is given. They are equal to each other. We have to prove, that is to prove OL equal to OM. We need to prove this one. Here we draw this construction, join OA and OC. Now we know the property of this. Whenever we are drawing the perpendicular from the center to any chord, the chord is getting bisected. That is, OL is perpendicular on AB. This is proof. OL is perpendicular on AB. Therefore, this will be AL equal to half of AB. We know this property from the previous theorem. And OM is perpendicular on CD. Therefore, CM will be half of CD. Half of CD. Now, that is as because, therefore, AL it must be equal to CM because AB equal to CD is given. Now in triangle OAL and triangle OCM, OA equal to OC, this is the radius. AL equal to CM, this is proved. And angle OLA equal to angle OMC equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle OAL is congruent to triangle OCM. That is, this is RHS congruency. Therefore, OL equal to OM. This is proved. Next one is the converse of this theorem. That is, the chords of a circle, maybe this one and this one, the chords of a circle, suppose AB and CD, which is circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. That is, O is the center if it is L and this is M. This is given. That is, OL equal to OM. This is given. Need to prove AB equal to CD. So, we are here, construction part is join OM and OB and OC. That is, here this is equidistance, means OL equal to OM. This is OL equal to OM. We need to prove this is on perpendicular on this one. That is, AB equal to CD. Now construction, we have already joined OB and OC. Now in triangle, proof. In triangle OBL and triangle OCM, what are equal? OB equal to OC, this is the radius. OL equal to OM, it is also given. and this is, if this is OL and OM is given, then this is perpendicular on this. So this will be OM OLB equal to OMC. Equal to OMC. Therefore, triangle OBL is congruent to triangle OCM. So here you can just see this is BL equal to, therefore BL equal to CM. If it is equal to this and this is on perpendicular on this, so it will be passes through this one, that is L will be the bisector of this, L and M will be the bisector of these two chord. Therefore AB equal to CD. This is proved, and this is RHS criteria, and this is CPCT. So these are actually the two theorems on the properties of the chord of these two circles. Thank you very much.